Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. So before we continue, guys, next week we are going to resume with our mentorship. So we're going to have a mentorship. So what is the like, or how can we explain mentorship for other people who actually don't really understand? It's going to be something like learning lessons. It's going to be for 3 months. So it's going to be learning lessons where I'm going to teach you from scratch until the finish line, until you say, you know what, I can actually take trades by myself. I can actually able to find the signals or analyze until you get the signals. And you also going to learn about risk management, trading psychology, fundamentals. You see how we do the analysis every day. I can actually analyze like 10 pairs within 10 minutes, or even 10 minutes is too much, and I will know whether on this pair I will have to buy or to sell very quick. But for someone who doesn't really know, they can spend a lot of time. So if you want to be part of the team, guys, for those who actually wants to learn, it's actually $148, because this is the skill that you're going to live with it, and it's going to actually benefit you for only those who wants to learn. So on this, actually, we're going to meet 3 times a week. For a period of 3 months, 3 times a week, we're going to learn everything about trading. Whether you're trading the currency pairs, whether you're trading indices, oil, gold, whether it's synthetic indices, also that it's also going to work. We're going to teach you the strategies, how we approach the market, the time frames, all those things for only $148. So I saw other my peers who are also doing the same thing. You know what, they charge like 800,000 something and stuff like that. So actually we are very cheap. So anyways, let's go straight to the market. For those who wants to be part of the team, they will let me know. If you want to join the signals, go on my description, you will find my contacts and let me know. So it's Tuesday, and we can easily see that yes, we have that CPI from Canada and retail sales from US. So today's gonna be nice. We're going to check what's really happening. I'm expected to see the Canada moves, CAD or maybe USD CAD. I hope we're going to see some very nice move from this economic event. So from Wednesday, which is tomorrow, we don't really have much. I see only CPI from GBP, but it doesn't really move that much. Thursday, I see unemployment change from Australia. This one moves, but mostly it's actually late. You can check that. If you know how to trade the news, that is going to be a very good thing. Powell is going to speak also on Thursday. So yeah, I see Friday also we have retail sales. Okay, yeah, this is actually what we have. So I think we don't really have some crazy economic news this week. So it means we're going to trade very, very, very nice. So let's go straight to DXY. You know, when it's still Monday or Tuesday, you know very well that mostly the moves are not really changed that much. So we're going to be trying to be as quick as possible so that we can actually wait for the opportunities. Remember to join the team. So what's really happening here? We can easily see that DXY, as I told you, as we've been preaching, the market is still actually on a very nice uptrend. The market is still actually uptrending. I'm still expecting the market to push to the upside. What I see here is I think the market might try to push a little bit lower, or if not, we might still see a continuation of that bullish momentum. And if we see a nice bullish move here, the other ones, they might be trying to do what? To sell. I'm talking about Euro USD, Gbpusd, all those currency pairs, right? So on the maybe Nasdaq or US30, it means that once we see them doing that, once we see DXY pushing up like this, we're going to see them pushing lower most of the time. But anyways, I think we don't really have a aggressive move since yesterday. The market was around this area. just since we don't really have enough economic news, I think we might start to see some sort of consolidation structures. But as we know, we just need to relax and wait for a better opportunity. So what's really happening on GBP, JPY? Very nice structure here. Let me just remove this. Very nice structure. I can see that we are actually on a very nice downtrend. The market is actually downtrending. What can we do? We just have to wait for the market to give us a very nice sell structure. Then we can continue with a sell. I think the market did try to push the upside very nice. I think this can be a very nice entry. Where we are now, I think the market tried to reverse, or maybe the market will be trying to go back again here. That is possible, but I don't think so. The best way is to do it is to wait for the market to do that for us. Maybe around this area, maybe the market might be trying to create something around there, maybe sort of a resistance. Maybe we'll see. But if not, it's better to wait for the market to give us a better structure before we say it's time for us to do what? To sell. Before we say it's a good time for us to take those sells. If not, it means maybe the market will be trying to continue. But what I see here is we have a very nice support. Also around this area, it seems like the market is respecting that area. I can see here the market did respect. But on top of that, I think we also have something around that zone. So I think I might not be wrong when I say the market might bounce here. So it means we might have actually a nice sell. But these areas of a support is not really that aggressively strong, because remember, we are actually on a downtrend, which means the market can break this area very easy. So it's not really something that you should be scared of. But yes, sometimes the market can actually bounce back from that. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. It's going to be a very great week, guys. It's going to be a very great week. So now we are on GBP USD. So let me just talk about mentorship again, so for other people to understand. Sometimes, guys, you just need to learn. Most people actually, or let's say most traders in the market, they want to be profitable. They just want to make money. But guess what? They did not really have the tools, the right tools, or the basics of the market. They don't really know how to read the fundamentals, but they want to make it, you see. So if you are that person, if you are in the same boat, so find someone who is going to teach you. You can find anyone else. You can find, there's so many people who can teach you Forex. But as I said, we also have another mentorship that we're going to start actually from next week, Wednesday. So you can start joining from today actually. So we're going to start from next week, Wednesday. So find someone who's going to help you. Maybe they might reduce your success rate from maybe taking longer. Some people, they will take so many years, but you can reduce so many years or so many accounts blown. You can reduce that and start to understand what's really happening. Sometimes, yes, you can still learn on your own, but that also takes time. So it's better to get someone who can actually try to help you. So I hope maybe you will think about that, because it's towards December. You can't just repeat the same thing. Last year maybe you were trading, this year you were trading, but when you check, the results are not really that good. So find someone. Don't really waste your time that much. Some people, they are most of us, we have pride, but sometimes just learn and get done with it, you see. So what's really happening on GBP USD? We can easily see that yes, the market is still actually on a very nice downtrend. You can't argue with that. But what we can do here is just to wait for the market. Let's just wait for the market to reach maybe this support area. We will see if maybe the market will be trying to bounce back. If it bounces back, obviously we will be waiting for the market to reach the resistance, or maybe we can see a breakout from there. Maybe we will see what we can do. But for now, the market is just playing around. So don't participate on that. You're just going to lose unnecessarily, right? So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible. Quite similar to GBP USD, we are actually on Euro USD. Guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Now we are actually on Euro USD. What's really happening? We can easily see that yes, the market is still doing what? The market is still actually downtrending. Where we are now, the market is still just playing around after those bigger moves. What I see here is the market is just trying to consolidate. Let's wait for the market to reach the resistance, or maybe the market to break this support. Then we can say, okay, it's time for us to do what? To continue selling. Or maybe the market will change that and say, you know what, I'm tired of this downtrend. It can break that resistance and start to push the upside. So your job most of the time, I think 60% or 70% of the time, you just have to wait. Wait for the market to reach certain zones before you take the trades. Wait for the market to confirm. Wait for the market to retest. Wait for economic news. Most of the time we have to wait. Don't just see yourself trading non-stop. Mostly you're going to pay for that. You see. So anyways, I'm still on a downtrend, but we just have to wait and see what the market is going to do. We are not actually in a hurry. This is going to be a very nice year, guys. We left with few months, but it's still going to be a very good one. Once you learn, a month is going to be like so very long. You will see some very nice results. You'll start to understand that, okay, even if I take some losses, I know how to bounce back. Unlike when you just don't know when to bounce back. You see, that's the difference. There's the difference between someone who knows and someone who doesn't know. Someone who doesn't know, they can make money today, but they can't be consistent. They can't make it tomorrow. They can't keep doing the same amount. But someone who knows they can lose now, or the whole week, or the whole month they can lose, they can have some losing streaks. But when they know, they still have that confidence that, you know what, I'm going to recover. I messed up here and there. Why? Just because they know. I hope you understand that. So that's why people who actually know, when they lose, they don't even have that issue. They might not feel good, but they know that, no, I'm just going to get another move and I'm going to recover. Very easy. So that's the difference. And consistency, guys. Consistency doesn't mean that you're going to win every day, but you're going to bounce back every day, right? So we are actually on gold. What's really happening on gold? We can see that, yes, actually it's like majority of these pairs, they are actually on a downtrend, because most of them, they go with the dollar. So the dollar is very strong. It's pushing the market to go actually lower, which means now we are actually having this unlimited or multiple downtrends. So on gold also, we also have the same thing. The market is downtrending. On Friday, the market was trying actually to break that resistance. Guess what? I can see a nice reversal. I think this is an opportunity, guys. It might be a very good opportunity. I think maybe tomorrow or the other day we might still find gold around this area, if the market doesn't really break this area. Because if it breaks this resistance, it means the market is tired of this downtrend. Maybe now the market wants to change the trend. They can call that change of a character, which means the market is changing the trend from downtrend to an uptrend. But currently, I think the market will be going down. Why? Because I see that the market respected our resistance, so which means we might have a very nice sell. Then, yeah, we already have a sell pending order, by the way, in the group. So we're just waiting for the market to continue selling. We're just waiting for the market to give us those sales. So now we are actually on US30. We are actually on US30. What's really happening? Still on a downtrend. Remember, the dollar is stronger, so that's why everything is actually downtrending. So we're just waiting for the market to do its thing. We saw that the market here was trying to consolidate, but it seems like US30 is trying to push towards this resistance. If not, maybe the market will even break. Maybe the market will even break that area, but we'll have to wait and see, because we don't really trade when the market is around the center. We trade when the market is on the side, resistance or support. It doesn't matter whether it's a diagonal structure, as long as the market is very closer to the support, it's where we take the trades. If it's closer to the resistance, it's where we take the trades. Simple as that. So where we are now, yes, we can see that, yes, the market is still actually on a downtrend. We had some ups and downs here, ranging structure. Now maybe the market wants to push towards this resistance. Yes, maybe you can have a hit and run. You can buy hit and run, but you know that there is a chance for the market to do what? To actually bounce or respect this resistance, but I'm just going to stay out and see. I'm just going to stay out and see what's really happening. So now actually we are on a Nasdaq. Please guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Remember, next week Wednesday we are starting with our mentorship. $148. You pay once, 3 months straight. We learning everything: fundamentals, consistency, confident, trading psychology, risk management, strategies, trends, everything, guys, everything. So that's actually how much you pay to be part of the team. If you want the signals, check the description, check my contacts, talk to me there. You can just WhatsApp me. So what's really happening on Nasdaq? Nothing much changed here. There's nothing new actually. What I see here is, yes, the market actually, it is still actually on this downtrend, but where we are now, it seems like the market was trying to push lower. Now it's coming back again. We had a sell actually, I think yesterday we had a sell pending order. So we expecting the market to do what, to keep pushing lower, but what we see here is there is another area. It was a previous resistance, but here again the market created something, so we don't know if maybe the market will just bounce back around that area. But what we know is we are on a downtrend. Whatever the structure that we have there, the market will end up doing what, pushing even lower, as long as the market is still on a downtrend. If maybe this changes, we'll say, okay, we're no longer under this downtrend, the market might break, there's a resistance, then we'll say, okay, now maybe it's time for us to do what, to look for bullish momentum. Now we are actually on a bearish momentum or downtrend, right? So yes, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So remember, if you want to actually learn and create your own signals, then you know what, we have a mentorship. I told you about that. Check that out. Thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Bye.